Wala pa. And hello guys, welcome to another video. So ngayon ay nakita ko itong mga mga old Hot Wheels boxes ng cars ko. Look at this. Look at this. Ito yung in-unbox natin dati ng yung first channel natin. Diba? Ito yun. Naalala nyo. Oh. Ito yun eh. This is that. Ito yun. Yung in-unbox natin yung last channel. Yung ano guys, yung may oh. Ito yung in-unbox natin eh. Ang dami ko. Ito yun oh. Ito yun. Ayan. Ayan lahat yan oh. Ayan lahat yan. Andiyan sa box na yan. Lahat ng ito. All of that are andoon. Oh my God. Buti hindi pa nalalanggam eh. Yung importante talaga tong mga Tomica kasi ito yun. Ayun yun guys, yung box talaga. Yan o. Yan o. Box yan o. Box yan o. So, nilang kami to dati. Naalala ko. Yung wala lang ngayon. Tapos, ayun. Dami lang kami yun. Ito pa. What? Uy. Let's race. Oh my God. Uy. Uy. Ito pa. Off-road. Yep, this is the major. Oh, this is my favorite. What is... This is yung nawala natin car, guys. Ito yung nawala natin kotse. Ito yun, no, ando sa... Alam niyo yun sa, ano guys, sa... Ano ba yun? Sa... Ilocos, sa dagat, sa probinsya ng pinsan ko. Ito yun, ito yung kotse na wala. Oh my God, this is the Tesla Matchbox. Uy, dami bang box? Ginaganda ko yan. Pinagpapatong-patong ko yan, guys. Uy. Oh my God. Yan lahat yan. Pinagpapatong ko yan lahat. Ito. Yan ah. Pinagpapatong yan. Yeah. Oh my God. And this. Pati ito. Oh my God. Talaga. Hirap na. Oh, this is the Matchbox. I know this. Police and this Audi and this Porsches. Oh my God! Look at this box. Look at this. Oh my God! All of this is from SM. Oh my God! Oh, there's more. Oh, Celero GT, guys. This is the. Oh my God. Oh. There's more. Yo, the BMW. This is cool. And lit. Oh, ito nga yung pinag-iipon natin, oh. Lahat yan. Yung malaki talaga. Nagka-shampoo. Oh my God. All of this is from the Hot Wheels. In the SM. Oh my God. I'm gonna fish it. Oh. This is so lot of boxcar. Hindi lang ito guys. Madami pa tayong iba. Na tinapon ko rin yung mga box ng Hot Wheels. Oh my God. This is cool. Yeah. Let's see this. Tignan natin to. Lahat tong naipon ko. Tignan natin. Ito. Yup. Yup. Nasira. Yup. Uy. Ow. Oh. That's looking na. That's bad. And the Porsche. And this. And the Audi. Yeah, I don't know. This is. I don't know. Jaguar. Yeah, I pretty know this. This is Pagani. And this is McLaren. Yeah, this is. Yep. Na-scratch na po. Tapos ilang box ko. Yep. Ulit. Yep. Old car. Classic car. Yeah. This is 5, 10. 5 out of 10. This is 3 out of 10. This is 1. Oh my. Yep. It's so many. Hindi ko na matandaan kung ano ba to talaga eh. Ngayon ko lang ulit to nakita lahat. Yeah, I'm gonna miss this boxes. Yep. Yeah. It's so many. Dami. So guys, magta-timelapse tayo para ipunin lahat ng ganito and this and mga ganito. Oh, yep. Ganito. Kasama na pala. Okay, let's go. Pasensya na kung hindi ako nag-timelapse. Akala ko kasi naka-timelapse. Namatay na pala yung cellphone ko. So ito na yung naayos natin. Yeah. So ito naman, ito na yung totoong timelapse natin. Let's go, time-lapse. Ayusin ulit natin to kung may langgam ba o wala. Check lang naman natin kung may langgam ba o wala. Let's go, time-lapse. Guys, so itong nakita nating plastic, itong plastic na to ay hindi ko alam kung saan ba tong plastic na to sa Tomica. Yep. Probably. Yep. Ito yung majorette natin, yung Bugatti. Majorette eh. Yep. So, kung na yung video, mag-like and subscribe naman kayo and bye-bye!